Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Fab 50s. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you how to use a jade roller for the neck area and also the facial area. We're also going to be finishing off with a great lymphatic drainage massage release. Now, first things first, I like to start off with clean skin, and I'm using just a little bit of facial oil. If you have a face cream, great. Just something so you've got a bit of slip and glide. And also whatever you place onto your skin and onto your neck is going to penetrate in even and better and deeper with the jade roller. Now I'm just mixing the facial lotion into the fingers, facial oil, and then just very gently apply all along the face, the skin, and also not forgetting the neck. Right, so they do come in various different materials. I also have a rose quartz roller, but today we're using the jade, and you want to make sure first of all that your jade roller is nice and clean. Now we're going to start off with the larger piece here, not the smaller. These I tend to use for the eyes. So with the larger one, I'm just starting from the collarbone here, and just from the middle of the collarbone, just very slowly and gently work your way up towards the chin area, and then working all the way along towards the jawline. And this is a light touch. The pressure, the skin on the neck is very fine and delicate, so you don't want to be too heavy-handed. And just work all the way along the neck area here. And you can do this morning or evening. If you want to spend a bit more time on it, obviously you can, depending how much time you have. And then we're going to use the little parts here, just so we can get into the crease of the neck here. So from the chin all the way along the jawline, we're just working the smaller part. Now we have plenty of lymph nodes here, so moving everything along. So from the chin area all along the jawline and the neck. This is great for a more defined jawline. All the way to the ears. And then using the larger parts again, we're starting from the chin and working our way all along the bottom of the jawline, the lower part of the face. This really also helps with lymphatic drainage and also with those little fine lines and wrinkles in this area. And then work our way up, slightly further along. And then we're going to come from the jawline up towards the cheekbone, working the lower parts of the face. And then on the other side, placing our large parts here, of the jade roller, starting from the chin and just gliding all the way along the jawline. And then slowly working our way up. This will also help, as well as the lower parts of the face, those pesky jowls and smile lines if you like. And then start from the jawline and let's work our way up towards, in an upwards motion, towards that cheekbone. And then we're going to take this little part again, and we're working from the nose area, side of the nostril, under the cheekbone towards the ears. Moving toxins and waste, heading towards those lymph nodes there. And then on the other side, from the side of the nose, under the cheekbone, towards the ears. And then we're going to work where the bone is under the eye, from the eye, just very lightly gliding where the bone is up towards the temple. And this is a very light touch. The skin around the eye is very fine and delicate. If you like to apply an eye cream beforehand, before you do this part, that's great too, because whatever, again, you place around your eye, it's going to really work itself in better. And then on the other side. I like to hold my fingers almost as an anchor as well. So where the bone is, you don't need to go too far up. Now we're going to come to we're going to use the small part again and just work on these little bits here where we can end up with those Levenses, and just slightly working in an upwards motion first. Tend to hold quite a lot of tension in this area, and then just work along. You can almost go in an up and down motion, in horizontally. And now we're going to use the larger parts here, from the middle between the eyes, heading in an upwards motion towards the hairline, and then slowly work along the forehead area from the eyebrow towards the hairline here, and then back again. Again, nice and light. There's not much sort of fat in this area, if you like. So now we're going to work from the middle of the forehead and gently glide towards the temples here. And we're moving toxins and waste within the lymph. And the lymph is very close to the surface of the skin, so you just need a very light, delicate touch. And then you want to glide by the side of the hairline, down by the side, well, front of the ear to the bottom of the ear, where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And then behind the ear, again, plenty of lymph nodes, ready for that final lymphatic drainage release. And then glide down this big SCM muscle, down by the side of the neck, down to the collarbone, nice and light. And then on the other side. So we're working from the temples down the side of the hairline here. And then down by the back of the ear, where we have plenty of those lymph nodes. And then down by the side of the neck here, down by the SCM muscle, down towards the collarbone. Ignore that toxins and waste. Helps if you don't have long hair. If obviously, perhaps I should have tied it back. And bigger earrings. And then from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, we have some indentations. And if you just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste we've moved within this area, the whole facial area and neck area, using our tool here. Now, if you please consider subscribing. If you're not already subscribed, and if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help with the algorithm. And comment down below. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.